Today's word, lunar. It spells as Lunar. Lunar is related to moon. The Chandrayaan 3 was aimed to explore the lunar surface. Friends, please spell out for me. Lunar. Lunar. Thank you. The story is brought to you by Mystery from Grade X Jasper. Thought. Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there's footprints on the moon. I repeat my thought. Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there's footprints on the moon. Thank you.
From Grade X Jasper, I am here to ask from GK question. Question for grade 10. When did the Chandrayaan 3 last hit? Sorry, you didn't pick the answer. Answer is 14 July 2023. Question for grade 8. In which region of the moon Chandrayaan 3 aims to explore? Yes, you picked the right answer. Answer is south pole of the moon. Let's calculate this. Question for grade 9. What is the name of the lander used in Chandrayaan 3? Yes, you picked the right answer. Answer is Vikram. Let us calculate this. Question for grade 10. What is the name of the lander? What is the name of the rover used in Chandrayaan 3? Yes, you picked the right answer. Answer is Pragyan rover. Let's calculate this. Question for us. Which is the first country to land near the south pole of the moon? Yes, you picked the correct answer. Answer is India. Let's calculate this. Thank you.
From Grade X Jasper. Today is the day to celebrate a remarkable achievement in India's space exploration journey, the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on Moon's South Pole on 23rd August 2023. The mission aims to explore the Moon's surface, study its composition, and gather valuable data. Vikram the lander and Pragyan the rover are the heart of Chandrayaan 3 mission. Vikram's successful soft landing on the Moon's South Pole marked a historic moment for India. Pragyan the rover has been designed to explore the lunar surface, conducting experiments and sending valuable information. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of Chandrayaan 3 from its launch to its successful landing. This has not only proved our scientific endeavors but has also inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers. Thank you.
Now I am here to say about ISRO. First, do you know what is abbreviation of ISRO? Yes, of course. Indian Space Research Organization. It is the space agency of India. The ISRO was previously the Indian Nation Community and Research Space Research. It was formed by government of India in 1962, who envisioned by Vikram Sarabhai. And ISRO was formed on August 15 in 1969. The organization of ISRO is involved in science technology, and to harvest benefits and for outer space India and mankind. The ISRO is a major constraint and controlled by the device. It means Department of India.